This meeting is being recorded. Alert.
Hello everyone, today we are in website development part 3. Last video I end up with small error, but that is very simple. We will resolve it and we can move on to the next topic. Today we will resolve it first.
Zoom Django window. Items view. Not exam. Sample 2 of 2.
So yeah, already we have created a sample project. Go inside it.
Customer 1 of 4.
Inside sample folder again.
Sample 2. U. Earl.
There will be urls.py.
Earl.
Last video we have created, we have linked the HTML page with the path. We forgot to import the views which is in customer folder. We have to import that there is a file called views and there is a function below it. So we have to import it. How to import? We have to come to the lines where import is there.
Line 17 from Django.Earls imp.
So there are other import files.
Carriage return. Line 18.
In a new line you give from
space
customer.
C-U-S-T-O-M-E-R space.
Customer is the app name, so from customer. So usually if there is a folder, we have to give from word from customer import.
I-M-P-O-R-T space.
Import views.
V-I-E-W-S.
Views is the file name. So from customer import views. Then only it will know that inside customer inside file we have to get the display function. That's the error last time. Yeah, we are saving it.
Sample window.
Go to the parent folder.
Line 1. C colon.
Go to the command prompt.
P-Y-A-O-N space.
Python space manage.py.
M-A-N-A-G-E.py space. R-U-N-E-R-V-E-R.
So pressing enter.
Watching for file changes.
We are watching for file changes and it's running on localhost, it says. Going to the browser.
Toolbar.
Localhost :8000.
L. Localhost :8000 selected. L selected. Heading level 1. Welcome to Accessible AI.
Welcome to
heading level 1.
AI. So our web page is rendered, whatever we created. So successfully we have created a web page. We will check few more things in this video.
C colon sample row. C colon backslash.
I will stop the server.
D colon back.
Control C will end the current process in the command prompt. Last video we have added this customer app in the settings.py. We have added this also included in that project. There are other predefined apps are created by Django, like a Django session, Django cookies. There are many things they are already given. We can also use it. Before using it, we have to migrate into our database. To do that, we have to give
Python space
Python space
manage.py space
manage.py space migrate.
M-I-G-R-A-T-E. Operations to perform : apply all migrations.
Okay, all migrations happened, so we can use all the code. So as I said earlier, there is admin code which already given by Django. We can use it to add or remove users. How to use it? Before going to admin, we have to create a super user because that user will have the complete access. So create a super user. We have to give
P-Y-T-A-O-N space
Python space
M-A-A-G-E.py
manage.py space create super user without space.
C-R-E-A-T-E-F-U-P-R. Username left paren.
Task username, I just give AI.
Cap I. Email address :
Email, I just give AI@gmail.com.
AI at gmail.com. Password :
Password I'm giving again AI.
Cap I. Password left paren. Again right paren.
Again it will ask for confirm password.
Cap I. The password is too similar to the username. This password is too short. It must contain at least 8 characters. Bypass password validation and create user anyway question. Left bracket y/n right bracket.
Okay, it says the same as the username and it does not have 8 character, but still it will allow. They are asking whether to bypass. To bypass, we can give y.
Super user created successfully.
Super user created successfully. So now we can go into the web page.
Python space M-A-N-A-G-E.py space R-U-N-E-R-V-E-R.
So Python manage.py run server, we are giving to run it again.
Watching for file changes.
Going again to the browser.
New tab dash L. Localhost :8000 L selected. Heading
localhost :8000 is our web page. Localhost :8000 /admin is the admin page.
Tool blank 0 blank slash ADMIN. Login bar Django site admin.
So it has username, password.
Password. Username.
Username I am given
Cap I.
which I
password : edit star. Login button. Site administration bar.
It logged in. Now you can see lots of links.
View site visited link. Change password link. Logout link. Authentication and authorization table with 2 rows and 3 columns. Authentication and authorization link models in the authentication and
authentication authorization module is there.
Groups row 1 column 1 groups link. Column 2 add link. Column 3 change link. Users row 2 column 1 users link. Column 2 add column 3 no next link.
So users authorization, these tables are already created. We can use it in later videos. So that's why we can use the predefined code. We also check these things in the database also. When you watch my database SQLite tutorial, you will know these things.
C colon sample row 1 zoom meeting control site admin sample row zoom row 1 meeting control site administrator. C colon sample zoom meeting site administrator. C colon C colon.
Okay, going to the command prompt, stopping the current process. Control
D colon
C.
backs.
In the same path, there is a file called db.sqlite. In that only all database files will be there.
pytao oatyp.
How you will access the SQLite 3?
SQLite 3 space
SQLite 3 space
db.sqlite.
db.sqlite is the default database created by Django.
SQLite version 3.2.
So we went into the database. We will check what are the tables.
.tables.
Tables will give the tables.
Slight greater.
Okay. So usually it will give all the tables which are migrated here. Once we develop future applications, for example, next video, we can create a form in HTML page, and then we will create a model like what are the columns in the table. And when we run it, all the column names will be converted into table automatically in SQLite, so that when we fill some form, data will be stored in SQLite. We can retrieve it back. So those things we can slowly see in the next videos. If you have any doubts, join the WhatsApp group in the description. Also give your comments. Thank you.
Site administrator sample row zoom row 1 call meeting control meeting